This is one of those pushing the boundaries sort of things. All that moisture just played hell with the thin bottom of this, and we knew it would. So I'm rushing a bit. I've mixed up some epoxy. We're going to try to, I've got it sealed on the backside. We're going to try to fill in these cracks so that they stop moving, and then I'm going to brush on epoxy and wipe it off the surface in the hopes of encapsulating it, basically making it a block of plastic, and that then maybe it won't move so much. I want to take and fill the largest of the cracks that I can access. Let them soak. I'm sure some of them are going to weep. I'll lift this bowl up on blocks here in a second and just let it drip onto my backer board because I don't care. The only thing I truly care about at this point is getting as much in the holes as possible. It's no big deal if I have to do it twice. Here's the crazy part. After spending all that time and energy putting it on, I'm going to take the epoxy off. You should really use gloves for this. My problem is my gloves are inside, and I have only got just a few minutes left before this goes south on me. What I'm using the epoxy for is the ultimate sealing coat. This epoxy is going to soak in and harden. In doing so, it's basically going to turn the whole dish into plastic. It's going to fill the cracks and crevices, turn the punky wood right there into solid wood, and once it sets, it should stop moving. It should be completely sealed. At least it's worked for me like that in the past. Dried up nice, with some leaking through. Not too bad. I'll be able to peel that off, give this a second coat down inside there to finish filling all of these cracks and lock them completely in place. This has 2 layers on the front side, so I sealed the back with some tape. You can see these cracks are filled all the way up. I sealed the back with some tape and I painted the front and I let it ooze through. Then, after that had hardened, it had soaked into a lot of these cracks, these deep cracks. So I gave it a second coat with the specific intention of filling these cracks up to the surface. And for the most part, that's what I've done. And I had a few more oozers that came through from the backside. But for the most part, this one is going to be ready, and the edge is ready to be sealed. So I think we're ready to go on that one.